Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Webflow SEO settings for Lighthouse scores detailed guide step by step clearly. To configure Webflow SEO settings for optimal Lighthouse scores, begin by logging into your Webflow dashboard. Select the project you want to optimize. Navigate to the Pages section in the left sidebar. Choose the page you want to configure, or use the site settings for global SEO adjustments. Locate the SEO settings tab within the page settings. Start by entering a unique page title in the title tag field. Make sure the title is descriptive and under 60 characters for best results. Next, add a compelling meta description in the meta description field. This description should summarize the page content and stay within 160 characters. Scroll down to the Open Graph settings to enhance social media sharing. Fill out the Open Graph title and Open Graph description to make your links more attractive. Upload a high-quality image to the Open Graph image field to represent your page on social platforms. Return to the main dashboard and navigate to the site settings. In the SEO tab, ensure you have enabled search engine indexing to allow search engines to crawl your site. Add a custom domain if you haven't already, as this helps with authority and rankings. Consider implementing schema markup to improve rich snippets in search results. You can add schema directly in the custom code section of your project settings. Now, return to the Pages section and check the advanced settings. Here, ensure that you avoid using the no index tag unless it is necessary. Make sure your URLs are clean and user-friendly. In the SEO settings, use hyphens instead of underscores for better readability by search engines. Preview your page using the Webflow preview mode to ensure all changes display correctly. During the preview, check for any broken links or missing alt text on images. Return to the dashboard and run a Lighthouse audit by accessing the Web Inspector in your browser. Analyze the results to identify areas needing improvement in your SEO settings. Make any necessary adjustments based on Lighthouse recommendations. Finally, publish your site and monitor your scores over time to ensure continuous optimization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.